Good morning, students. Myself, Tushar Oja. Today I prepare a video lecture on configuration of computer. The objectives are, by showing this video, the student is able to learn about personal computer configuration. Second, difference between PC, PCXT and PC80. And third, general faults of computer. First, personal computer configuration. There are many parts available in market to configure a desktop PC or personal computer. First, microprocessor, which is known as CPU. It is integrated circuit which allow it to perform simple arithmetic calculations to more complex program controlling. It is divided into two parts. First, bus interface unit, and second, execution unit. Power supply. Power supply generally located in the right corner of desktop PC. It converts the AC power to DC and creates the various voltages needed to power your computer's devices. Motherboard. It is also a main component for PC. It is the main circuit board and it has various electronic components and chips which are linked together by metal tracks called traces. Memory module. There are different types of memory in system. The most common are ROM, which is known as read-only memory, RAM, which is known as random access memory, and cache memory. The ROM is used for storing all small programs like BIOS, storage devices. There are many storage devices like CD drive, floppy drive, hard disk drive, etc. These are used for storing permanent data or program. The hard disk has a very high capacity storage capability compared to floppy disk and CD. Keyboard and mouse. The keyboard and mouse are generally used for input device for computers. Keyboard is similar to a typewriter and mouse is a component that functions as a pointing device. It is a small plastic case that fits under your hand. Monitor. The monitor are used as an output device for display text and graphics. The monitor looks like a television screen. It is connected to the main computer box. Printer. The most printers have a parallel interface and are linked to the computer by parallel port. Printers are come in a wide variety of types, price, speed, and capabilities. There are many printers available in the markets like dot matrix printer, inkjet printer, laser printer. Next topic is difference between PC, PCXT and PC80. Here first IBM PCXT. XT means extended technology. The configuration of PCXT is Intel 8088 processor with 4.77 MHz clock speed, 256 KB RAM, 10 to 40 MB hard disk drive, supported 1 or 2 360 KB or 1.2 MB floppy disk drive, supported 14-inch monochrome monitor, 80 to 101 keys for keyboard, and it requires 135 watts power supply. Second, IBM PC 80 to 86. 80 means advanced technology. Here 286 is a type of processor. The configuration is Intel 80286 processor with 6 to 8 MHz clock speed, up to 4 MB RAM, up to 80 MB hard disk drive, supported 360 KB or 1.2 MB floppy disk drive, supported 14-inch monochrome or CGA monitor, enhanced 101 keys for keyboard, and it required 135 watts power supply. Third is the IBM PC 386. Here processor use is Intel 80386 with 8 to 33 MHz clock speed, up to 64 MB RAM, 64 KB external onboard cache memory, up to 50 MB hard disk drive, 1.2 MB or 1.44 MB floppy disk drive, 14 or 20-inch monochrome or CGA. CGA means color graphics adapter, or VGA monitor. VGA means video graphics adapter. Enhance 101 keys for keyboard. Next is IBM PC 80 486. Here processor is Intel 80486 with 25 to 120 MHz clock speed, up to 128 MB RAM, up to 512 KB external onboard cache memory, up to 64 MB hard disk drive, 1.2 MB or 1.44 MB floppy disk drive, 14 to 20-inch SVGA monitor. SVGA means Super Video Graphics Adapter, and 104 keys Windows keyboard. Another type is Pentium. Processor is Pentium with 75 MHz to 233 MHz clock speed, up to 256 MB RAM, 1 MB cache memory, supported for hard disk drive. Each hard disk drive larger than 584 MB and up to 8 GB. 104 keys for keyboards window, 1.2 MB or 1.44 MB floppy disk drive. Another type is Pentium 2. Here Pentium 2 processor is used with 300 MHz clock speed, up to 256 MB RAM, 1 MB cache memory, up to 8 GB hard disk drive, 104 keys window keyboard, 1.2 MB or 1.44 MB floppy drive, and 14-inch SVGA color monitor. Pentium 3. Here Pentium 3 processor is used with 650 MHz clock speed, up to 512 MB RAM, 1 MB cache memory, up to 13 GB hard disk drive, 104 keys for window keyboards, 1.2 MB or 1.44 MB floppy drive, and 14-inch SVGA color monitor with 4 MB AGP card. AGP means accelerator graphics port. Next topic is general faults of computer systems. Which are the faults which you or I face by operate the computer system? There are number of faults available. First, the CPU has lost control. Second, there is a junk display on the monitor, means monitor does not display clearly. Third, printer prints suddenly. Fourth, the program is missing or memory contains junk. Fifth, the program is getting aborted without any reason or message. Six, computer display irrelevant error messages. Next, printer prints one line and immediately computer hangs. The CPU has lost control. There is a junk display on the monitor. The printer prints suddenly. The floppy disk drive always remains selected. The CD drive always remains selected. The hard disk drive is not reading data properly. The keyboard not gives any response. CD-ROM drives LED glow, but the CD is not read. Other many faults available, but important are there. So in this video, we can conclude that first is configuration of computer system. Second is types of PC, PCXT and PCAT, and last is the general faults of computers. Thank you for showing this video.